Light up your world, mastering waterproof performance in ZHAGA and NEMA photocontroller sockets. Outdoor LED lighting systems face harsh conditions such as rain, snow, dust, and humidity, all of which can reduce their performance and lifespan. Waterproofing is essential to ensure durability, safety, and cost efficiency. Without it, water ingress can cause corrosion, electrical failures, and increased maintenance costs. ZHAGA standards for waterproofing. ZHAGA is an international consortium that sets standards for LED components, ensuring compatibility and durability. Its waterproofing guidelines cover sealing systems using gaskets and O-rings, strong material use, insulation to prevent short circuits, and secure connections. ZHAGA standards also protect signal transmission from moisture interference. LongJoin's commitment to ZHAGA. LongJoin fully complies with ZHAGA requirements. Their sockets undergo rigorous testing under extreme environmental conditions, are built from UV and water-resistant materials, and manufactured with precision to maintain tight tolerances. NEMA standards for waterproofing. In North America, NEMA sets benchmarks for safety, performance, and reliability. These include durable materials, mechanical strength against stress, built-in drainage systems, and IP ratings that classify water resistance levels. LongJoin's innovative solutions. To further enhance waterproofing, LongJoin has developed Rotary Lock Designs, ensure tight sealing and easy installation, gold-plated contacts, improve conductivity, resist corrosion, and maintain reliability. Sealants, gaskets, and overmolding create protective barriers and encapsulate sensitive parts. Drainage paths redirect water away from vulnerable components. Proven performance. LongJoin's solutions excel in real-world applications. Urban street lighting. Advanced sealing has prevented water ingress for over 3 years. Highway lighting, Rotary Lock Designs and gold contacts withstand heavy rain and snow. Public park lighting, UV-resistant materials and drainage systems thrive in tropical climates. LongJoin consistently delivers photocontroller sockets that meet or exceed ZHAGA and NEMA waterproofing standards. Through innovation, rigorous testing, and strict quality control, their products ensure safety, durability, and superior performance in even the harshest environments.